Hi everyone, welcome back to the Laravel e-commerce project tutorial. In this video, we are going to learn about edit the product. So let's see how can we edit the product. So first of all, go to the project and let's open the admin controller. And here, let's create another function. So after this, just write here public function and function name, which is product underscore edit. Okay, and inside this just pass here one parameter which is id, and now let's fetch the product according to this id. So right here product model product colon find and pass here the id $id. Okay, and also fetch here the categories and brands. So let's copy these two line from here. Okay, and paste here, and now let's return a view. So inside this view just add the folder name which is admin dot view name product dash edit. Okay, and now just pass these three products and categories and this brands. So inside the compact method just pass here the product first in single quote product. Okay, and now let's copy this categories, paste here, and then brands. Okay, now enter the semicolon. Now save this and let's create this the route for this function. So go to the web.php file, routes web.php, and here let's create a new route this one. Okay, admin product, then pass one parameter which is id, then edit controller name, and then method name which is product underscore edit, and then give the route name which is admin dot product dot edit. Okay, now let's copy this route name and save the file. Okay, and now let's open the products.play.php file. This one products.blade.php, and here let's add the link for the edit. So inside this href just write here double curly bracket route and then route name which is admin.product.edit, and also pass here the parameter. So inside the big bracket just write here id arrow dollar product arrow id. Okay, now save this and now just close all the file, desktop file. Okay, and now inside the admin folder resources view admin, and inside this admin just let's create a new file product arrow edit dot play.php. Okay, and from here product and .play.php file let's select all the text and copy and just go to the product edit.play.php file and just paste here. Okay, now let's change here the text edit product. Okay, and also remove this route, and inside the value let's display here the previous value. Okay, so right here sorry, database value, table value. So for that, just write a dollar product arrow name. Okay, and here display the slug. So right here, product arrow slug, and for the categories, just write here double curly bracket dollar product arrow category underscore id if product arrow category id is equal to let's use here the ternary operator. So right here dollar product arrow category id is equal to dollar category arrow id, then add the question mark and then just display here the selected value. Okay, selected, otherwise blank value. Okay, now let's copy this and paste inside the brand option. Okay, and change here the name, brand id, and also change here brand arrow id. Okay, and here for the short description, just write here dollar product arrow short description. Okay, and for the description, for regular price, so remove this and dollar product arrow regular price. And now let's copy this and just select and paste here for SKU, for quantity, and inside the in stock and this featured, let's copy this one and here inside the in stock just paste here and also paste here and inside the featured option just paste here. Now let's copy this name featured, so just remove this and paste here dollar product arrow featured if featured is equal to 0. Okay, then display the selected, and if featured and product arrow featured is equal to 1, then display selected here. Okay, and similarly here in stock, let's copy this if this one, if product arrow stock status is equal to this one. Okay, in stock and selected. Now let's copy this one. If product arrow stock status is equal to out of stock, then selected this one. Now save this. One more thing for image, this is the image part. First of all, just remove this one, style is equal to display none. And for previewing the image from database, just add here if directive, if dollar product arrow image. If image exists, then display this image. So after this div, just close here the if directive. So right here in div, and inside the src, just right here, remove this and add here double curly bracket, asset, and add here the path name, which is uploads slash products. Okay, and after this, just to display here the product name, the image name. Okay, so after this path, just add here dollar inside double curly bracket, dollar product arrow image. Okay, and inside the alt tag, just write here dollar product arrow name. Okay, and for the image gallery, let's uncomment this line. Simply remove this. Okay, now select and press tab, and now before this, let's add here the if directive, if dollar product arrow images, then display the gallery images, product gallery images, and after this, just close this and if. Okay, and before this, let's add here the for each, and first explore the product images. So right here explore method, add here the separator, which is comma. Okay, now let's check the separator. So admin controller and separator is comma. Okay, so right here comma, and then dollar product arrow images. Okay, and after this, just close here the for each. So right here at the rate in for each. Okay, and one more thing, add here add dollar img. Okay, and for displaying the image here, just remove this and add here asset and path uploads slash products, and then add the forward slash double curly bracket, and just use here the trim function, trim, and inside this just pass here dollar img, and okay, and one more thing, I just add here the one more class here, g items. Now save the file. Now it's done. So first of all, let's check this page. So go to the browser and just refresh the page. Now just click on edit link, and you can see here the edit page, product edit page. Okay, here is the product name, slug, category, brand, short description, description, and product image, gallery image, and regular price, sale price. Okay, it's showing the same thing. So let's check inside the regular price. Here is the regular price. Okay, let's change here. Let's copy and paste here sell price. Here is the SKU, and then quantity. Okay, now save and refresh the page, and this time you can see here regular price, sale price, SKU, quantity, in stock, and featured status. Okay, all right, now let's create a function for updating the product. So for that, go to the admin controller, and here let's create another function. So right here public function, and function name product underscore update. Okay, and here let's pass here the one parameter, which is request. Okay, dollar request, and inside this, first of all, let's validate the all input field. So I'm just going to copy this one and paste here, and add one more thing inside this slug. Just add here comma, and then concatenation sign, dollar request, arrow id. Okay, and for id inside the product edit page, let's add here a hidden field. So inside this form, after this at the rate CSRF, just write here input type is equal to hidden, and name is equal to id, and value is equal to double curly bracket dollar product arrow id. Now just close this. Okay, save the file. Now go back to the admin controller, and here after the validation, let's find here the product according to this id. Okay, so let's copy this, and here just write the model name product colon find, and pass here request arrow id. Okay, and now let's copy this line, also this timestamp, and paste here. Okay, and for image, let's copy this line also from here to here, copy, and paste here. Okay, and after this, just return view, return redirect to the products page. Okay, so right here route admin dot products. Okay, and also pass in the status with the status, and add in the message product has been updated successfully. Okay, it's showing an error. Okay, no error. Now save this file, and inside this if condition, before saving the image, let's delete the previous image. Okay, so for that, let's add here before this, just write here if file colon colon exist. First of all, check here the file exist or not. So use here the file exist method. So inside this method, just pass here public underscore path, and add here the path, which is uploads slash products. Okay, and then concatenate here forward slash, and then dollar product arrow image. Okay, if this image exists, then inside in this if, just call here the delete method. So file delete method, and inside this just copy this path and paste here. Okay, it will delete the previous image and then save the new image. Similarly, let's copy this if, and for deleting the thumbnail, just paste here, and simply add here only the path of the thumbnail. So let's copy this one, thumbnails, and add here thumbnails. Okay, then delete the thumbnails image. And for gallery image, inside this, just let's copy this two line. Okay, this one, and here first of all, just add here the for each method, for each, and inside this for each, just write here explore and pass here dollar product arrow images. Okay, and before this, just add here the separator, which is comma, as dollar profile old file, and inside this just paste here this two line, and this O file, just remove this product image and paste here with dollar sign. Okay, it will delete all the previous gallery images. And now save the file, and everything is now done. Okay, let's create the route for this function. So let's copy this function name and go to the web.php file, and here let's create one more route here. Route, this time put method I put and add here the URI slash admin slash product slash update, and then add here the controller name, which is admin controller, colon class and function name, and after this just add here the route name, admin dot product dot update. Okay, save this. Now let's copy this route name and go to the product edit blade.php file, and here inside this form, inside this section, just add a double curly bracket, then route, and paste here the route name, admin product dot update. Okay, and inside this form, let's add here after this csrf, just add here the method directive and just pass here the method root. Okay, now save this. Now everything is done, so let's check. So switch to the browser and just refresh the page. Okay, and refresh the page, and you can see here this is the text add product. So let's change here the text. So go to the edit blade.php file and just change here the text, update product. Okay, and one more thing, inside this update method just remove this required from the image. Okay, now save this, and now just refresh the page. Okay, now click on let's change here the text is updated. Okay, change here the price, let's say sale price 400 and sale price 300. Okay, now click on update product, and you can see here product has been updated successfully. Now let's change the image. So edit again, and this time image removed. Okay, let's check the image, public, uploads, products. Okay, bamboo gallery image. Alright, one mistake here. Okay, just cut this line. Okay, and put inside this if condition. Okay, not outside the if condition. So after this just paste here, and now save the file. Now let's check again. So just refresh the page. Okay, now let's change the image. So this time let's select this one, gallery image. Let's these two gallery images. Okay, only two images. First product image, second this one. Okay, And now let's click on update. Product image updated. Now let's check again. So click on edit. This time I am not going to select any images. I'll simply change here the price. So let's say price, regular price 200 and sale price 100. Okay, now click on update. Okay, product updated. Now click on edit again, and this time you can see here the previous image. Okay, so in this way you can edit the product. So that's all about editing the product. So thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.